Welcome back. We've added and tested all the workflow tasks. Now it's time to add a trigger so that the workflow runs automatically. Jack wants this automation to run monthly, so we'll use a cron trigger. It's trigger type in Roost that starts a workflow on a predetermined schedule. Click here to add a trigger. Add a descriptive name like monthly trigger. We'll toggle enabled. And next, under trigger type, we'll look for cron. Using cron syntax, we specify when the workflow should run, using 5 fields for minutes, hours, day of the month, and weekday. Let's define the schedule. This cron syntax translates to the first of each month at midnight. Now we set the time zone. Jack wants UTC. Finally, scroll down and click submit. And just like that, we have added a trigger that's going to start this automation at midnight on the first of every month. Now, before we forget, Jack wants to prove ROI with Roost. Now that he's automating the process he used to do manually, he's going to save that time every month. It takes him around 10 minutes to get all of this data. Go to Configure Workflow Settings and add the time saved. 10 minutes is 600 seconds. Click Submit. And with that, we'll go ahead and publish our updated workflow. A month later, Jack logs in and sees he saved at least 10 minutes, probably more with all of the other automations he's added. Now, let's recap. In this series, you've watched us apply process engineering to create an automation blueprint for Roost. Then, you saw us bring that blueprint to reality, testing and refining at each step. By integrating his PSA and RMM with Roost and leveraging other core actions to build this workflow, you saw how Roost orchestrates data across Jack's tool stack, allowing them to interact with ease. And you got to see how Roost handles multi-tenancy, accessing multiple organizations and bringing everything together in one place here in the platform. And that's a wrap for Jack. Now it's your turn. Get into Roost and build this automation for yourself using your RMM and your PSA. ROI with Roost is just around the corner. Thanks for watching.